This is a rechargeable LED dice set built specifically for D&D and tabletop role-playing, and it genuinely delivers on every promise it makes. Let's start with what makes this different. These aren't just decorative dice, they are RGB light up, which means they glow in full color when you roll them. The effect at a gaming table is genuinely impressive, and it photographs and films beautifully if your group documents their session. The wireless charging is the feature that sets this apart from every other novelty dice set on the market. No fiddly battery replacement, no cables threading through individual dice. You place the set on the charging pad and it's done. The battery life is long enough that a full campaign session won't drain them. The full D&D set is included. D4, D6, D8, D10, D12, D20 and the percentile die. Every die you need, all matching, all lit. Build quality is solid. These feel substantial in the hand, the weight is right for rolling, and the RGB doesn't feel like a gimmick once you're actually using them at a table. If you're buying a gift for someone who games or treating yourself before your next campaign, this is the one that will actually get used rather than sitting on a shelf.